I still remember that night. You didn't say a word. You just left. You walked out slow like I wouldn't notice, but every step felt like a broken promise. Your shadow faded in the hallway light, and I know I lost you that night. I kept your hoodie on my chair, like maybe you come back there. But days turned into empty air, and you were never there. I talk to myself when it gets too quiet, try to stay calm when my heart starts riots. You were my peace, now I can't find it, lost in the pieces, I can't rewind it. Tell me how to breathe again when you were my only friend. I don't know where I begin, if this is how it ends. She left without saying goodbye. Now I'm stuck asking why. Every night I break inside, but I still hold on tight. If love was real, then tell me why it always learns to die. I'm still here, wondering why she left without saying goodbye. I see your face in every crowd, but it's just my mind playing loud. I reach for you, but nothing's found, just silence all around. I told myself I'd be okay, but that was just something I'd say, because the truth won't go away. You're still here in every way, and I hate that I still care when you're not even there. Feels like I'm trapped in there, a love that's unfair. Maybe time will fix my mind, maybe I'll leave this behind. But every night I still rewind to a place I can't find. She left without saying goodbye. Now I'm stuck asking why. Every night I break inside, but I still hold on tight. If love was real, then tell me why it always learns to die. I'm still here, wondering why she left without saying goodbye. She left without saying goodbye. If I could change that night, I'd hold you one more time, but silence won the fight and left me behind. Now I'm just a voice in the dark, trying to heal a broken heart, but every piece of me still starts where you fell. She left without saying goodbye. Now I'm drowning in the sky of all the tears I try to hide, but they still don't dry. If love was real, then tell me why it always says goodbye. I'm still here, wondering why she left without saying goodbye. Yeah, I guess some people don't stay, they just leave without saying goodbye.